all the A's, all the A's. Okay, so the door's shut, my mic is off. So this is a communication exercise. So I want you to practice your listening skills, your nonverbal and listening skills. So how are you going to show the person next to you that you're listening? The A's are going to, or B's are going to share with you a story, something that they're very passionate about. So I told them to select a story or something they want to share that they really get excited about. And I want you to practice listening. Do not speak, do not say anything. But I want you to give them all the nonverbal body language that you're not. This may or may not be a stretch for some of you. Some of you may do this regularly. Oh, that's easy. I do that all the time. So we're just going to do this for maybe 30 seconds, and I just want you to give all the nonverbals. So are we clear? Yes. So you should be seated next to a B. So you should, if we did this right, you should be A, B, A, B. We may have one or two that's off, and if that's the case, we'll just pair you up together. But we should have it right, A, B, A, B. You had a question?
Can you use your phone?
No, you can do, I said all nine. Just don't talk. Just don't talk. And